Hi viewers, there must be some sort of fancy dress party going on somewhere. A lot of people over there, all wearing something that says Nottingham Forest on it. Here comes the train now. I'll tell you what number it is in a minute. Hold on. Looks like 158804, is it? I'm not too sure. Must be a big fancy dress party somewhere in Nottingham. Yeah, that was 158. Hold on, let's see what is that. It's 158904, that one. That's a 4-carriage train, unusual for Northern trains to do 4 carriages. But that was a 4-carriage Northern train, yeah.